So today I need to update the wrap because there's not enough room at the moment for if and when these babies hatch. So I need to make room, add in more shelves, okay. But yeah, just gonna show you how I do the heating system and that, and then show you how it looks after. So let's get to it. Okay, here we are. So as you can see, I've got my storage part under here, then my 2 levels there and there, and I'll be adding another 2 levels on top. But first, what I'll be doing is taking this level down by a few. As you can see, yeah, I'll probably be taking it down to about there. Otherwise, the whole point of rack system will there'll be no point because it's taking up too much room. So yeah, this level we're going down 4. Then each of these will be on top of, each shelf will be on top of the tubs basically. Yeah, then I'll add the rest and I'll show you how I actually set up the heat for this rack system. It's quite easy, to be honest. I say quite easy, I got my uncle to do it. I didn't do it myself, but yeah. So I'm gonna have a smaller storage system, which it doesn't need to be as big as it is now. Like I said, it's just wasting space. Then by the time it's finished, I'll have 4 levels of racking. And then yeah, then I still have the rest of that space to use, which won't be getting filled up too soon. But yeah, let's get to the shelving and how I keep them warm. Okay, here we are with the before and after. So they're just shelves from IKEA that fit into the wardrobe. It's 2 per level because I've got 2 wardrobes together. So firstly, with that part, you're gonna wanna mark out where that ends, so it'll be across that line there, which will give you this part along here, and you want to kind of root that part out, which I'll show you what it looks like now. So once that part's done, you then want to draw the lines of where your wiring is going to go, which is being shown now. And then after that part, that will then lead you, which then you need, then you'll have to root that part out, root the lines out, just as thick as, just a bit deeper than the cable. You don't want the cable really touching the metal per se. And then that will leave you with this. Now, the part I've got upstairs has actually got six rows. This has only got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's only got 5. So it's up to you how many you actually do. But yeah, I should have done 6, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's spread across the whole panel to get the heat across the whole, to get the heat across that. It shouldn't matter too much. But yeah, it's quite easy as long as you've got the tools. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna put this into the rack system. I'm gonna put the wire in through, and then I'll show you how I'm good. Yeah, then I'll come back and show you. So it's took me a little bit of time, but here it is. So I've done the whole, oh gosh, the hole going through the back of there. See the other one, levels there. That's the new one. So it leads in through there. Then it's going to be going up to the next level through here. Oh shit, sorry. Up to the next level through here. And then, so, what is that? So, I've had to cut that little notch inside so it can actually go up. And then on the other one, sorry, I'm keeping it there because my room is now a mess. Everything's everywhere. Then I've done that little bit on here so it can go up through, and then that's for the other side. That's for down there, because there's going to be some left, which I then do that at the back with. Just put it at the back. So when it's all done, I will come back, but I'll show you how. I'll try and show one-handed how this fits on. Ugh. Try and not get caught. Fits nicely. Fits nicely, I think. Is it there? Is there something there? No. Yeah. What's happening? Oh. One second, let me just sort out and I'll come back. So I'm back. I've screwed them down now. So they're I think they're 8mm screws. Then it's gone around there, then up to here. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Yeah. Then through that part there, and then done the exact same zigzag bit to come up here, and then I'll do what's at the back for there, and then that's done. And then I have four shelves on my rack system, and I'll come back when it's all done and it's all clean and tidy in there, so we can get a better shot of it. And there we go, finally finished. Only took a few hours to do all together. Gosh, as you can see, there's Aphrodite. She's eating again now. If you don't know who that is, that's the mother of the eggs. Then we've got Odin in that one, you can't see him. We've got Athena in there. Don't know if you can see her at the back. The Medusa's in that one. And then we've got our 2 new shelves. And then that's just holding stuff, holding my mess really. And then storage down there. So yeah, technically I'll be able to fit 8 adult snakes in here, but obviously, like I said, these 2 levels will be used for the hatchlings, and then any holdbacks I have. So hopefully they hatch. Otherwise, this is all for nothing, but I'll eventually be using it anyway. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, so I've been using this kind of system for just 2 years now, and nothing's gone wrong with doing the heat cable like this. So I'm pretty sure it's safe. And the person who I got the snakes off does it like this as well. So, and he hasn't had any problems. So yeah, that's that. Oh, so as you can see, they both have a thermostat. One thermostat works for 2 levels. So that thermostat is controlling this level and that level, and that thermostat at the back there, which you can't really see, black wire, I need to make it face this way, controls that level and this level. So yeah, what cable size is it? I think it's a 16-meter cable. If not, I'll put the cable size in the note now. But yeah, I think it's a 16-meter cable. But it's not too much. It's not too bad, to be honest. I reckon I could fit quite a few more in that space if I wanted. Maybe 4 more levels minimum. Don't know. But yeah, it's nice. Nice little system, to be honest.